I'm Mrs. Wenger. I am math teacher on Team 8 Green, and I just wanted to give you a quick little rundown about how our class is going to go this year. We will be doing a lot of work in class, and then some of your work will be done at home, of course. What I anticipate as of this point at the beginning of the year, I'm going to reserve the right to change my mind, but what I anticipate is that you'll be doing some quick 15-minute or less. That'll be the maximum videos at home to kind of preview the lesson, and then we'll come in the next day and do some work with that. So the goal of that, the plan for that is that anytime then that you are stuck, struggling, you are here and doing it. Where at home, what you're responsible for is actually just watching something and trying your best to get some example problems down and understand it. And then that way I can help you in class and your classmates can help you in class. So with that being said, a lot of our homework or classroom will be posted on Google Calendar, but also through Canvas. And if you have not used that program yet, we will teach it all to you, and parents, you too. We will help you learn to navigate that. For those of you in my algebra classes, which I believe I have two this year, that will be high school credit. We actually use the same textbook that the high school does and go through the same curriculum, so you will be fully prepared and leave my class with 1 year of high school credit for that. So we'll make sure your grades are high, and we'll talk about that more later in class. As far as what to bring to my class, please bring something to write with, something to write on. You'll have your folder system, whatever you bring, but please bring your calculator. For those of you in algebra, you will see right here that it is the TI-84. Any of those are great. The color ones are more fun, but any type of TI-84 is awesome. And for those of you in pre-al, it is the same calculator that you had both in 6th and 7th grade. The Algebra 1, keep an eye out for sales. Those can run $100, a little more, but should be the last calculator you ever buy in your life. And the pre-al ones are only somewhere between $8 and $15. And then for those of you in my 5th hour, we will have an additional teacher in that class, and she is Mrs. LaChance. And I am looking forward to a great year. For those of you that love math, yay, welcome. For those of you that feel like you struggle with math, yay, welcome, like for real. If you'll just give me a little effort, a lot of times 8th grade math winds up being the place where you're just like, hey, I can do math this year, and it winds up great. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all. Have a great year. I know you will. Thanks.